We're going to use the Excel to find the top 25% tallest of the corn. This goes by real fast. Click a cell, any cell, go up to the function bar, make sure you're in statistical. You're going to scroll down and get norm inv. Bam, right there. Click on that. Now be careful because you're doing a greater than. You got to subtract your probability from 1. So 25% being subtracted from 1 gives you 75%. And your mean is 2.7. And your standard deviation is 0.4. Click OK. There's your answer. In other words, the top 25% of the corn stalks are 2.97 meters or higher. MGZ out.